we have cough syrup.
I know. She's drinking some apple juice.
Mm.
Alright.
Your brights are on. Oh, somebody just almost hit me straight on.
Are you okay?
They don't have their lights on. No. Stop. Hold on.
Okay.
A Mustang. Over 400 acres to ride on. Sundance Riding Stables. It's a fun place.
In person, you're going to be voting on the exact same ballot that you would be voting on it in your kitchen table, voting by mail. So it's the same thing.
Oh, Jesus Christ! Are you okay?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Does your phone still work?
Yeah.
All right.
Admitted that the fight that ended our relationship with our daughter was because my wife had been calling our granddaughter fat and stupid during the already rare visits my daughter allowed with my granddaughter.
You do it.
Then told my daughter and my 100% my fault.
How about this?
I drove her away.
How about this?
Now, I
How
don't
about
even know
this?
her phone number, her address, or how to reach her. I haven't heard my daughter's voice in over a year. And the last time she spoke to me, she told me she never wanted to see
You're on
me
camera,
again
buddy.
because I am
Have you on
the oldest
camera?
woman who tormented her for her entire life. And even then, I defended
Got you on
her.
camera, buddy.
I hate myself more than anything in the world right now. I did this to my only daughter. I think that my marriage is over.
Hey, I got you on camera. I'll be sending this to your boss. Well, you're welcome. You're getting fired, asshole.
Damn it. Fucking asshole.
Why? What did I do?
You don't even like me that much.
Okay, well, get ready.
Oh, we just watched a crash happen. On dash cam.
Oh,
On dash cam, and he's leaking fluid. Get his fucking plate.
Oh my god, is he trying to
He's
get
an
away?
idiot. I literally have it on dash cam.
Somebody... There was a car accident and this guy is trying to get away.
Oh, what is that person doing? Oh God, oh God, oh God.
Oh, look how old she is.
Oh God, she shouldn't be driving.
Fuck me running. Oh, I don't want to be near her.